Hey there, mushroom enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of wild mushrooms, and we've got a fascinating one for you, the hen of the woods, also known as Maitake or sheep's head. I'm your host, Bryan, and we'll be uncovering everything you need to know about this delectable fungus. Now, the scientific name for this beauty is Grifola frondosa, and let me tell you, it's a mushroom that truly stands out in the late fall. Imagine stumbling upon a massive rosette of fronds that can fill up the bed of a pickup truck in a single day. That's the magic of the hen of the woods. The name Maitake is a Japanese term meaning dancing mushroom, and you can see why. The fronds emanate from a central branching structure with an undulating margin displaying a variety of colors from white to gray to brown. Gray to brown is the most common shade, and the amount of light exposure influences the color depth. But beware, there are lookalikes that might cause confusion in identification. Luckily, they're not poisonous, just not as tasty as the real deal. Let's talk about key identification features. Hens typically appear late summer to fall, at the base of oak trees, forming a rosette pattern. The cap is spoon-shaped to fan-shaped with gray to brown to white upper surfaces. The stem is central to the rosette, thick and firm. The pore surface is white, and the spore color is also white. Now, to find these culinary delights, follow their progression across North America. Hens tend to start in the northern states and progress south. Keep an eye on social media for updates and look for mature oak trees, especially black oak and white oak, in woodlands or even local parks. When it comes to harvesting, timing is key. Younger specimens are best for texture and flavor. Signs of age include faded colors, loss of rigidity, and the presence of insects, especially black beetles. So, be on the lookout for these signs. Now, let's talk harvesting. Simply grab the rosette at the base, gently twist it out of the ground, and cut off excess wood or soil. Inspect for debris like sticks or leaves that might be inside the rosette. Time to prepare for the table. There are various ways to enjoy hens, from sauteed dishes to soups and stews. And here's an interesting one: hen of the woods jerky. Season and dehydrate it like traditional jerky. Remember to discard the central stem. It's tougher than the fronds. Did you know? Hens freeze particularly well without additional preparation. Just toss them in a freezer bag for later use. Now, a word of caution. Few negative reactions have been reported, but some folks experience vivid dreams after indulging in this mushroom. Interesting, right? Cultivating hens is a bit challenging, but skilled cultivators can manage it at a commercial scale. As for research, no hidden species in North America, but keep an eye out for potential genetic differences with European and Asian specimens. And finally, lookalikes. Two close ones to be aware of: Mirabilis sumstini, or black staining polypore, and Bondarzevia berkeley, or Berkeley's polypore. The black staining polypore fruits in a different season and has larger fronds, while the Berkeley's polypore has even larger fronds, a whitish to cream color, and jagged pores. Be on the lookout for these hen of the woods imposters. Well, there you have it, mushroom enthusiasts, a deep dive into the world of hen of the woods. Remember, foraging requires knowledge and caution, so if you're new to it, consider going out with an experienced forager. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, happy foraging.